Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to record your screen? Then you are in luck today, because if you are on Windows 11, there's a built-in, very easy app you can use to do that. Either you want to do a tutorial or a presentation, or you just want to show your friend something on your laptop screen, then this video is for you. The built-in app in Windows 11 is called Snipping Tool. So today I'll show you exactly how you can use it. It's very easy. So the first thing to do is to type Snipping Tool in the search bar. Click Open. Now this is the Snipping Tool interface. Before you continue, it's a good idea to save the recording on a folder you can easily access. So to do that, click on these three dots. It will take us to Settings. Then scroll down, and then you will see a place where it says Screen Recordings are saved to. Click on Change, then change it to Desktop. Now we can go back to the original interface. Now ensure that you change to Record Mode. Click on New. Then you can select the area of the screen we want to record. In this case, I'm selecting All. Now, before you start recording, there is an option to unmute microphone, which means that you can also record your voice. So I'm going to unmute the microphone. You can also record system audio, but I will leave it as it is. Now, to record any activity on your screen, click on Start. There's going to be a countdown, and then anything that you are doing on your screen or anything that you are saying will be recorded. This is a video recording. Now, just to demonstrate a little bit, I open an app called Acrobat Reader. So now, let's stop the recording. Now, once you click on Stop Recording, either save that recording into another folder, you can edit it using a video editing software. This edit in Clipchamp comes with Windows 11. Or you can just minimize the tool and then look for the file that you just recorded. Because we have set it to save to desktop, we can see this is the file, screen recording, saved on the desktop. You can give it a name so that you can easily identify the video. Now let's play the video. So that's it. That is how you can do a video screen capture using your Windows 11 PC with a free built-in app. Very easy to use. Other things you can do with the snipping tool, you can take screenshot of your screen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more insights.